How to add payment method on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add payment method to Facebook account. In order to add payment method in Facebook, first of all, you'll need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, tap on the three horizontal bars on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the menu page. Now here, tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner. By doing so, you will be taken to settings and privacy page. Now here, you will need to tap on see more in account center right here. By doing so, you will be taken to account center, and now here you will need to scroll a bit down. Under this account settings, locate Meta Pay option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it, and now inside here you will be able to see add debit or credit card option. Simply select this option and now you will be presented with this form. Now here you will need to enter your card details in order to add this payment method. Simply tap on this card number text box and there enter the number of your card. After entering the card number, now enter the expiration date and then enter the security code that is presented at the back side of your card. After that, you will need to enter your personal details, select your country and then enter your full name. After that, add your address, select your town, city, region and then enter your country and then enter your postcode. After that, you will need to tap on the save button at the very bottom. And once after that, it will verify your card and then you will be able to add this card to your Facebook account. So by following these steps, you should be able to add payment to your Facebook account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.